Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the best carburetor for the TB110 lawn mower, the YzusGomumu 799584-594058 carburetor kit. If you're searching for a reliable, high-quality carburetor that will boost your lawnmower's performance, this is the one you want. This carburetor kit is designed specifically to fit a wide range of lawnmower models, including the Troy-built TB110 and TB200, among others. One of the key strengths of this kit is its high-quality construction. Made with corrosion-resistant materials and precision manufacturing processes, it ensures durability and long-term reliability even in tough outdoor conditions. This means you can expect your lawnmower to run smoother and more efficiently for a longer period. Performance-wise, the YzusGomumu Carburetor kit addresses common engine issues like oil leakage, difficulty starting, lack of acceleration, and black smoke coming from the exhaust. By optimizing the air-fuel mixture, it enhances combustion efficiency, which translates into better fuel economy and smoother engine operation. The kit doesn't just include the carburetor itself, it comes as a comprehensive tune-up package. Inside the box, you'll find a spark plug, a fuel line, an air filter, 2 throat bands, a fuel shutoff valve, a fuel filter, and an O-ring. This all-in-one solution means you have everything you need for a straightforward installation and an immediate improvement in your mower's performance. Installation is designed to be user-friendly, whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a homeowner with basic mechanical skills. The included parts and instructions make replacing your old carburetor quick and hassle-free. This kit's air filter is particularly effective at preventing dirt and debris from entering the engine, helping to reduce wear and extend the mower's lifespan. In addition to improving performance, this carburetor kit promotes increased fuel efficiency, which could save you money on gas over time. A better running engine also means less maintenance and fewer breakdowns, so this is a great investment for keeping your lawnmower in top shape. The package size is compact and lightweight, making it easy to handle and store. With dimensions just over 5 inches and weighing under a pound, it's a neat and practical addition to your mower maintenance toolkit. Overall, the YzusGomumu 799584-594058 carburetor kit stands out as a dependable and effective choice for anyone looking to restore or upgrade their TB110 lawnmower's engine performance. Its compatibility with multiple engine models, durable construction, and included components make it the best carburetor kit on the market for this purpose. If you're ready to improve your lawnmower's power, efficiency, and reliability, this carburetor kit from YzusGomumu is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest product reviews and insights. See you next time.